So Grace, as I was driving, just driving into Inspiration, right? So I just drove down Parker Road, and I noticed the spires. And as soon as I got onto the property, I felt like I was in a resort. So tell us a bit about Inspiration, and you're a resident here. So you actually live here, and you moved here about 5 years ago, I think. So tell us where we are.
Okay. Yes, I did. I had lived in Dallas for about 16 years, and I remarried, and it was time to move out here, and so I had always wanted a new home. And the growth out here really offered the perfect opportunity to find that new home, and I was just out here exploring, wandered into one of the models, and it was amazing. It was 5 bedrooms, which we needed for our family, and everything new, and this community is amazing. We have resort-style pools, we have a pickleball court, we have a golfing green. It's 600 acres right next to the lake where you can walk and bike and play, and yes, and there's a Wylie ISD elementary school on site, so our kids could just walk to the school. It's just been a really amazing place to live.
I mean, it's incredible. I mean, you have everything you need in the community. I mean, we're in the clubhouse here, right? And it has a beautiful backsplash. I'm sure, at any sort of occasion, especially during the summers, people are running in and out. There's just so much buzz about this place. And I love the name Inspiration because you're driving around and you see the street names Hope. And it's very positive, right? So, I mean, that's exciting to feel like you're immediately at home. And, talk a little bit about, I know that it advertises that homes are here between, mid 300s to 800s. What's available now if someone wanted to move here?
Right now, a lot of the builders had sold out, and they're starting new phases, and they haven't published their next price points, but the ones that have, I've seen $650 up to about $850. So we're waiting for those lower price points to come back on the market.
Got it. And what type of floor plans are available? And you mentioned something about acreage, right? So in Parker County or Collin County, one of those you were saying.
Yeah, here in Inspiration, we have some new GFO Homes is now building some larger homes. For a while, there weren't very many over 3,000 square feet. They are building some newer ones that are over 3,000 square feet. And then you can find an 1,800 to 2,000 square foot house still here in Inspiration. And then what I was mentioning, yes, in addition to master plan communities such as Inspiration in this area, in Parker, the smallest lot size available or allowed is 1 acre. So even in the subdivisions, they have a much more expansive feel, and each lot is at least 1 acre.